tumpak, level up, ligwak, sapa. Mga real joggers, ito ang laro. Kung igigess mo, mananalo ka o sasapakin ka. Sapak! Atid sa inyo ng Dream Cars Pizza at Pogo Hotel.
Alright, nagbabalik na si Dream Car at nagbabalik na ang Guess the Pack! Yes! Woo! Yes! Sinong ready to Guess the Pack? Bring kayo ng random. Tatlong ng 25,000 pesos. 7 questions kung sinong ang dami dito mga tao dito sa ating of course ang ating mga joggers natin. Sinong ready? Mananalo ng 25,000! Sige, halika dito. Let's go. Bring kayo random. Bring. Oh, yan, Philip. Ito sa...
Oh, yeah.
Right. Bring another one. Cotton buds. Kuya Kyle, alright. Philip, dito ka. Philip. Philip, dito ka. And alright. Let's start. Alright, before we going to start, press our buttons. Test the buttons first. Alright, Kyle is good. Ciao. Alright, how about you? Alright, I think we're prepared. Let's start. Go! Alright, here we go. And so let's start having Guess the Pack on our news special course. Alright, let's start with our first question. Ang category is anime. Tanong. Alright, ang tanong. In Death Note, which is the real name of initial L? Here are your questions. A. Light Yagami. B. Ryuk. C. Eloliot. And D. Nier. Alright. Here are your questions. Hello? Kyle. A. Ha? Wait. Okay. Hold on. A is kayong dalawa. Wala yung A, B, C, or D. Philip. Cotton buds. Cotton buds. C. Sabi mo C is right. Eloliot is right. So Philip saying nothing wrong. Wait, Aloy. Wait, market name. Alright, Cotton Buds, uno. The rest of the two, wala. We're going to keep up ang tanong. Alright, here we go. K-pop tayo. It's, alright. Which K-pop soloist from NCT, pop group NCT, released an album titled Soar? Yan ang ating, alright, here are the following questions. Wait lang, mag-change muna ako. Here are the following. Taeyong for A, Doyoung for B, Mark for C, Jaehyun for D. If hindi pa, wait, hold on. I'll just send you the questions with the choices. Alright. Here are the questions. A, B, C, D, pili na. Kyle. B. Doyoung is right. Uy! Alright, it's right. So, of course, bling natin si Philip. Sino si Cotton Buds? Just a minute, okay. Okay. Sorry, Philip. And of course, the Cotton Buds. Sorry. Okay. One, Kyle Montaño. One, Cotton Buds. Walang Philip. Alright. It's a little bit on a head-to-head challenge sa dalawa dito. Of course, you all know na ito dito. Uy, ba't wala si Cotton Buds? Wait. Ayan. Alright. Where are we? Okay. Pop culture. Ang tanong. Alright, here we go. In Stranger Things, what is the name of this parallel dimension? Here are your questions. Hold on. Here are your questions. A, the overworld. B, the shadow realm. C, the nether. Or the D, the upside down. Sino alam sa Stranger Things? Kyle! D. Ang bilis talaga si Montaño. Of course, when it comes to Stranger Things, the answer is the upside down. You're right! Cotton Buds, sorry. What did you come at? No. Alright. Most overall, Montaño. Philip, wala. Cotton Buds, something piso. Alright. Filipino movies. Ang tanong. Alright. Ready na kayo? Okay, here we go. In a Filipino movie, hold on. In Filipino movie box office records during the Metro Manila Film Festival 2023, here are the following questions. Family Matters A, Rewind. B, Partners in Crime. C, the letter D. Guess a fact. Montaño. A, Family Matters. Okay, hindi naman ako sigurado nito, pero well, alam mo naman, yes, expect natin kung yung movie is Family Matters, but wrong. You have a chance. Philip. Cotton buds. Cotton buds. What do you have? B. Rewind. Rewind. Ano kaya? Alright. Rewind is right. Okay. Oh, dalawa na lang. Oh, get atay. Ano naman? Wow. Dalawang tie. Cotton buds. Si Montano in one. Wow. Unexpected to see that one. Not only you can see that every guest pack in our on this part of our series, never before to see that one coming. Well, we have this one issue as well. So okay, let's do science, shall we? All right, let's do science. Dadong. All right, here we go. What is the only letter not used in the periodic table? A is J, B is Q, C is X, D is Z. Sino kaya alam sa periodic table of elements? Ay, wow! Ay, wait. Punta nyo. D. Aha. Let me check my periodic table first. Meron eh. Wrong. Oh. What's the chance? Wala na yung D. A, B, C. Cotton buds. Wala. Yes. Hello? Oy, cotton buds. Yung answer mo. A. Let me check my periodic table of elements. Kung meron o wala. Uy, meron. Ali. Oh, B or C. Oh, B or C. Answer! Hoy! Answer, Philip! Hoy! Loko-loko talaga to ah. Overtime tayo dito, hoy! Anong disqualified? Hoy, B or C? 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Easy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, walang nanalo. The answer supposedly will be B, Q. Walang letter na Q sa periodic table of elements. So, makes sense, walang Q, okay? Recap the scores, please. Recap the scores. 2 overall, wala pa rin si Philip. Of course, let's go a little bit on the modern side as well. Wait, maghanap muna ako ng Discord moments kasi of course, let's do K-pop. No, let's not do K-pop na. Nakatapos na yung K-pop. Okay, let's do J-pop, shall we? J-pop. Ay, wait. Tanong! Alright. Kaya. We're looking for Kaya. Which Kaya member is the leader of the group? A. Angela, B. Sophia, C. Charis, or Alexa? Sino kaya sa panto? Charis. Wait, hold on. Hoy! Agbang, binangga mo ko, hoy! Hoy! James Rawab! Anong ginagawa mo dyan? Okay, back to our proceeding program. Alright, where was I? Okay, sino kaya yung leader? Charis. Bakit Charis? Okay. Wala pangalan ng Charis dito sa Kaya. You're wrong. Oo, kayong dalawa. Cotton buds. Ikaw. Ulip ikaw. ABD na lang. Oh! Yes. Cotton buds. Angela. Let me Google first. Baka mali din ako. Yes. Meron. And that's right! On the lid! Cotton buds! Child boss, cotton bud stress. Alright, last question for the chance to win up to 25,000 pesos. Ito na, for science team. Hard question, ang tanong. This is for the win. Kung sinong nanagot nitong answer nito, mananalo na ng 25,000 pesos dito sa Gasapak. What is the name of the process where RNA is synthesized from DNA? Replication, translation, transduction, or transcription? Montaño. Wow! Montaño, okay. Where do I start? Alam mo naman yung replication, nag-replicate lang yan. Yung translation, nag-translate yung data ng DNA. Transduction is parang ganon. Nalimutan ko yung transduction kasi of course, transcription is transcription. Nag-transcribe yan. Is right! Wow! Tiebreaker! Tiebreaker na to. Sorry, that makes Philip, sadly hindi ka nanalo. So, ano lang, piso lang yung sayo, okay? Congratulations. Alright. So, all the 7 questions are done. So, tiebreaker question. Alright, so
Dream car, meron ko sasabihin, si Poden yan, si Poden nag-trash talk sa amin dito. Nag-trash talk.
Alright. Hoy, punta nyo dito ka. Alright. Tiebreaker question. I'll make up the questions kasi wala dito yung aking listahan.
Ito na lang.
Ang bonus.
Ito na lang yung question. Ito na lang yung question ko. Ayan. Sige. What is the current last name the current last name of CDJ. Letter A, Jabez. Letter B, Karaoke. Letter C, Jobs. Or letter D, Rowow.
Alright. Oy, Kamatis, DM mo na lang yung answer dyan, ha? Hindi ka makikita.
Okay, wait lang. I will instruct them, ha? Okay. What is the current last name of Carl David Jobs? Is it letter A, Jabez?
Hold on for the question, okay?
Chavez. Oh. Letter B, Karaoke. Letter C, Jobs. Or letter D, Rowow.
Alright. Those are the questions. Alright.
Ansiran nyo yan.
Alright, here are the questions. Sa ilalim, alright.
Wait lang. Yung letter C, Jobs. J-O-V-E-S.
Alright. If alam nyo to, alright. Wait, let me copy paste it.
Iba dito naglalaro ng Grow the Garden. Walang pakialam sa Grow a Garden na yan. Walang kwentang laro yan.
Alright, here they are. A, B, C, D.
Wait lang, guys. Meron pa ako dagdagan na choices.
Alright, hold on.
Letter E, Hitler.
E.
Letter F, Hussein. Letter G, Al-Assad. Letter H, Zedong.
Alright, thank you for the questions. Press na yung button. Dalawa kayo kung sino mauuna. Press the buttons. Kyle. C. Geometric, is he right?
Sige, bilisan nyo.
Ang tanong, sabi ni Montaño, letter C, is he right?
Tama yan, guys. Ang last name niya po ay Jobs, pero hindi ay guys.
Congratulations! You just won 25,000 pesos!
Montaño nanalo.
Congratulations! Nanalo ka ng Dreamcast Picture gift and also gift certificate galing sa Hotel Pogo. Congratulations!
Meron ka din birth certificate natin sa inyo ng James Rowan Corporation.
Ano mas tali mo sa Dragars? Yes, alright. Okay.
Maglaplapan daw kayo, sabi ni Code.
Alright, thank you. Balik ka na sa pwesto mo. Alright, segment. Wait, nalimutan ko yung next segment. Wait, next segment is wait, nalimutan. Saan pala yung ano? Wait, one for all ba yung next? Nalimut. One for all yung next, guys. Sa pagbalawig ng mga Jackers. Ay!